with me this LAKME 925 Weightless Mousse foundation, and this is the inner packaging. It's like a tube packaging, and also this one is the foundation. Its price is rupees 575, and its quantity is 29 gram. And I really like this packaging, and especially this color rose gold. This formula really feels soft in and incredibly weightless and provides the desired coverage for daily use. Right now I have applied this foundation on my face effortlessly. It blends onto your skin to conceal imperfections, which I don't think completely true, because I have some pimple marks, like dark spots, but it couldn't hide my all the marks. And yeah, it is lightweight. Maybe I think it's suitable for all skin types. They have mentioned it. And because my skin is oily, and sometimes T-zone is oily and normal on the other side, so yeah, it can go for all the skin types. But its price is really little bit costly, like 575 for this much. But I think it's okay. But it doesn't provide the it doesn't hide the imperfections, the dark spots and all. So yeah, you can see here, as you can see, I have applied Mehndi. These are my dark spots, so let's see if it can hide my dark spots. And I have taken a lot. So anyways, I'll just blend it onto my skin. You don't have to take this much, I know, because obviously you don't need this much. I'm using this sponge. So as you can see here, I have applied this LAKME this foundation on my hand. So yes, it is giving a little bit of the light color, थोड़ा सा कलर में डिफरेंस है. और हो जो आपके ऑब्वियसली में आपके डार्क स्पॉट हमारे स्किन पे इतने ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं होते हैं, बट इसके टोटली कवर नहीं करता है ये. और बट आप जैसे जब आप इसे अप्लाई करेंगे, तो अप्लाई करने के बाद जब आप फेस पाउडर यूज़ करते हो, तो थोड़ा बहुत हाइड हो जाता है जो डार्क स्पॉट्स होते हैं. तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, आई थिंक. बट या 575 रुपीज़ में आप थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि वो इम्परफेक्शंस हाइड करे. बट इफ़ यू विल अप्लाई पाउडर आफ्टरवर्ड्स, देन ऑब्वियसली ये हेल्प करेगा आपकी इम्परफेक्शंस को हाइड करने में. आई विल गिव दिस प्रोडक्ट 8 marks. It does stay on your skin for 5 to 7 hours. Oily skin, then it will give you a little bit of the shining on your face. And I like this product, that's why I'm giving it 8 marks out of 10, because it's like a if you don't have so many dark spots like I have on my skin, the pimples and dark spots, if you don't have that, then you can easily apply it, just take it on your skin and just dab it with the and I don't know if you can rub it on your face skin, because show हो रहा था कि आपने foundation लगाया हुआ, because it's, first of all, if you have a lot of acne, a lot of dark spots, then it will not hide all these things. But if you have a little, then it will help, and you can apply a face powder or compact powder after that applying this. So yes, this is I'm not sure if it's good for dry skin, because when I applied it, it was little bit, I was feeling a little bit it may make your skin a little dry, because it was not giving full coverage. So yes, this was my review. I next week. Take care and bye bye.